Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Spark English Daily. I'm Zara.
And I'm Liam. Hello, everyone. So great to be back with you today.
We are so happy you are here. If you are new, welcome. And if you are coming back, welcome back. We missed you.
Zara, how are you today?
I am doing really well, thank you, Liam. I had a lovely coffee this morning at a small cafe near my house. So cozy and peaceful. How about you?
I am great, thank you. I love a good cafe in the morning. The smell of fresh coffee, the soft music, nothing better.
Nothing better at all. And that is perfect because today's topic is all about the cafe.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Spark English Daily. Share it with one friend learning English. It really helps us. Okay, Zara, ready?
So ready. Let's go.
Today's topic is at the cafe. How to order coffee, ask for a table, and pay the bill, all in English.
This is so practical. Cafes are everywhere. In your city, at the airport, at the shopping mall. You will need this English everywhere you go.
And many beginners feel nervous in a cafe. They don't know what to say, they don't know how to order, but after today, no more nervousness.
You will feel completely confident. And to help us learn, we have a wonderful story. Our friend Clara is visiting a new city. She finds a beautiful cafe. Let's listen to what happens.
Listen carefully. Pay attention to every phrase Clara uses. Ready? Let's go.
My name is Clara. I am visiting a new city this weekend. Today is Saturday morning. I feel excited but a little tired from my journey yesterday. I am walking slowly down a beautiful street. I am looking at the shops and buildings. Everything feels new and interesting. And then I smell it. Fresh coffee, warm bread. I look to my left and I see a small, cozy cafe. The sign says, Morning Bloom Cafe. The window is full of plants and warm yellow light. It looks perfect. I decide to go inside. I open the door. A small bell rings. The cafe is warm and beautiful. Soft music is playing. A few people are sitting quietly with their coffees. I feel relaxed immediately. A friendly woman comes toward me. She smiles and says, Good morning, welcome. How many people is it for today? I say, Good morning, just one please. It is only me today. She says, Of course. Would you like to sit inside or would you prefer a window seat? I say, A window seat would be lovely. Thank you so much. She takes me to a small table next to the window. I can see the street outside. The morning sun is coming through the glass. It is so peaceful. She gives me a menu and says, Here is our menu. Take your time. I will be back in a moment. I look at the menu. There are many options: coffee, tea, juice, pastries. I decide quickly. She comes back and says, Are you ready to order, or do you need a little more time? I say, I am ready, thank you. Can I have a large latte, please? She says, Of course. Would you like any milk? We have regular milk, oat milk, and almond milk. I say, Oat milk, please. That would be great. She says, And would you like anything to eat? We have fresh croissants this morning, still warm. I say, Yes, please. I will have one croissant. Thank you. She says, Perfect. I will bring that out shortly. A few minutes later, she returns. She carefully places a large latte and a golden, warm croissant on my table. She says, Here you go. One oat milk latte and one croissant. Enjoy. I say, This looks amazing. Thank you so much. She smiles and says, You are very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. I take a sip of the latte. Perfect. Warm and creamy. I take a bite of the croissant, soft and buttery. I look out the window at the quiet morning street. I feel completely happy. After 40 minutes, I am ready to leave. I catch the woman's eye and she comes over. I say, "Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?" She says, "Of course, that is £4.50, please." I say, "Can I pay by card?" She says, "Yes, of course, we accept all cards." I tap my card, it beeps. Payment done. I say, "Thank you so much. Everything was absolutely wonderful. I loved it here." She smiles warmly and says, "Thank you. Please come back and visit us again." I say, "I definitely will. Have a wonderful day." She says, "You too. Take care." I walk out feeling warm and happy, the perfect start to my morning in a new city. Liam, do you have a favorite cafe memory?
Oh, yes. I remember one rainy afternoon, I walked into a tiny cafe in a small village.
It was so warm inside. The woman there brought me coffee and a big slice of homemade cake. I sat there for 2 hours listening to the rain. I still think about that cafe sometimes.
That sounds perfect. A good cafe really feels like a warm hug.
It really does. How about you, Zara?
I remember my very first time ordering coffee alone in English. I was so nervous. My heart was beating fast. But I walked in and said, "Good morning. Can I have a latte, please?" And the man smiled and said, "Of course, coming right up." And I felt so proud. Such a small thing, but it felt like a big achievement.
That is exactly why we made today's episode, so every listener feels that same confidence. Walk in, say hello, order your coffee. You can do it.
You absolutely can.
Now let's listen to Clara's story one more time. This time, repeat every phrase quietly as you listen. Really feel the conversation.
Ready? Here is Clara's story again. My name is Clara. I am visiting a new city this weekend. Today is Saturday morning. I feel excited, but a little tired. I am walking down a beautiful street, and then I smell it. Fresh coffee, warm bread. I see a small, cozy cafe, Morning Bloom Cafe. It looks perfect. I go inside. A friendly woman comes toward me. She says, "Good morning, welcome. How many people is it for today?" I say, "Good morning, just one, please. It is only me today." She says, "Of course. Window seat or inside?" I say, "A window seat would be lovely, thank you." She gives me a menu and says, "Take your time. I will be back in a moment." She comes back. She says, "Are you ready to order?" I say, "Can I have a large latte, please?" She says, "Of course. Which milk? Regular, oat, or almond?" I say, "Oat milk, please." She says, "And anything to eat? Fresh croissants this morning." I say, "Yes, please. One croissant. Thank you." She says, "Perfect. Coming shortly." She brings my order. She says, "Here you go. One oat milk latte and one croissant. Enjoy." I say, "This looks amazing. Thank you so much." After 40 minutes, I say, "Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?" She says, £4.50, please." I say, "Can I pay by card?" She says, "Yes, of course." I pay. I say, "Everything was absolutely wonderful. I loved it here." She says, "Thank you. Please come back again." I say, "I definitely will. Have a wonderful day." I walk out feeling warm and happy, the perfect start to my morning. That was Clara's story one more time. Did you catch all the phrases?
Final review. Arriving. Just one, please. Window seat would be lovely. Anywhere is fine.
Ordering. Can I have a latte, please? I would like a cappuccino. Could I get a croissant?
Staff phrases. Take your time. Here you go. Enjoy. Let me know if you need anything.
Paying. Could I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card?
And leaving, everything was wonderful. Have a wonderful day.
Our question for you. What is your favorite cafe drink? Tell us in the comments. My favorite is a large latte. What about you?
Like this video, subscribe to Spark English Daily, and share with one friend learning English.
Thank you for being here. See you in episode 4.
Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep sparking.
Bye, everyone. What a lovely story. I felt like I was sitting right there with Clara.
Me too. So cozy. And so many great cafe phrases. Let's go through them together.
First phrase. When Clara walked in, the woman asked, "How many people is it for today?" This is what staff always ask when you arrive. How many people?
And Clara answered, "Just one, please. It is only me today." Very natural. You can also say, "Just me," or "Only one today."
Then the woman asked, "Would you like to sit inside, or would you prefer a window seat?" Staff often give you a choice. And Clara said, "A window seat would be lovely, thank you."
You can also say, "Inside, please," or "Anywhere is fine, thank you." All very natural.
Then the woman said, "Take your time. I will be back in a moment." This means, do not rush. Look at the menu slowly. Very common in every cafe.
And when she came back, "Are you ready to order? Or do you need a little more time?" You will hear this everywhere. If you are ready, say, "Yes, I am ready. Thank you." If you need more time, say, "Just one more minute, please."
Now ordering. Clara said, "Can I have a large latte, please?" This is the most natural way to order. Can I have, and then what you want.
You can also say, "I would like a cappuccino, please." Or, "Could I get a flat white, please?" All polite, all natural.
And sizes. Small, medium, large. Very simple. A small coffee, a medium juice, a large latte.
Then the woman asked about milk. We have regular milk, oat milk, and almond milk. Clara said, "Oat milk, please." That would be great. Short and polite. Perfect.
And for food, would you like anything to eat? Clara said, "Yes, please. I will have one croissant." Simple and natural. Yes, please. I will have one.
When the food arrived, "Here you go. Enjoy." "Here you go" is one of the most useful phrases in English. You will hear it everywhere. It means, "Here is what you asked for."
And Clara said, "This looks amazing. Thank you so much." A lovely, warm response.
Now, paying. Clara said, "Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?" Always start with "Excuse me" to get attention politely. Then, "Could I have the bill, please?"
Then, can I pay by card? Very important. You can also say, do you accept cards? Same meaning.
And leaving, "Everything was absolutely wonderful. I loved it here." This makes the staff so happy, and it is very natural English.
Now, let's practice together. Liam, you are the cafe staff. I am the customer.
Good morning. Welcome. How many people today?
Just one, please.
Of course. Window seat or inside?
Window seat, please. Thank you.
Here is the menu. Take your time. Are you ready to order?
Yes. Can I have a medium cappuccino, please?
Of course. Anything to eat?
Yes, please. One croissant. Thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy.
This looks wonderful. Thank you. Excuse me, Could I have the bill, please?
Of course. £3.50. Card or cash?
Card, please. See? Start to finish. Complete cafe conversation. So simple.
Now, listeners, pause this video. Practice ordering your favorite drink out loud. Say, "Can I have a," and your favorite drink. Try it now.
Amazing. You are doing so well.